Very good morning, my dear friends. I extend a hearty welcome to my YouTube channel, Mechanical Engineering Lecture Series, and myself, Dr. M. A. Chennaya, Vice Principal at Saptagiri College of Engineering and former Principal at Dr. Shivkumar Mahaswamy College of Engineering, Bangalore. Friends, in today's problem, we have a problem on this triangular lamina which is resting on one of its corners. So, this is the triangular lamina. We have ABC and the side of each is 30 mm. AB is 30, BC, CA all are 30 mm each, and it is resting on a corner. So, first of all friends, while analyzing this, you should see that it is resting, corner is on HP. That is, in every problem on any lamina, if the lamina has to rest on one of the corners, place the lamina on HP such that one of the corners of that, say this corner C is to your right, is to your left, sorry, is to your left, and the other side opposite to that corner is AB. Suppose if you take ABC as the triangle, say it is going to touch the HB by the corner C, the opposite side will be this AB. So, he says there is a triangular lamina of side 30 mm which is resting on one of the corners C, say C, and the surface of that lamina or the side opposite to that is at a height of 20 mm from HP. So, in any of the problems of lamina, if it has to rest on a side, keep that side to your left and perpendicular to VP, or if it has to rest on a corner, keep that corner to your left such that there will be one side like this. So, I place the lamina on HP on its surface ABC such that the whole surface is in contact with HP and the side AB is opposite to the corner, and obtain the top view of the lamina, an equilateral triangle of side 30, and the front view you get a line of length M. So, let me start the problem by drawing this XY line, which is the line of intersection of HP and VP. This is XY, VP and HP I mark, VP above XY, HP below that, indicating first angle projection, and I draw an equilateral triangle ABC with corner marked to the left. So, let me construct here an equilateral triangle ABC. This is an equilateral triangle. I will call this as AB, that AB measures 30 mm. So, this is 30 I will mark, and all these sides measure 30. Let this be the corner. I will say this corner as C. So, ABC is an equilateral triangle or lamina of side 30 mm which is placed on HP such that the corner C is to your left, and as I told you before, the side opposite to that is AB, that AB is normal to VP and the corner C is to your left, and obtain the corresponding front view, a line on XY. So, I can mark this point as A dash B dash and this as C dash. So, this point, if you write a vertical from here, you get this C dash. So, if you join this, you will get A dash B dash C dash, and this line A dash B dash C dash is the front view of the lamina which is resting on the horizontal plane. So, I got both the front and top views of the triangular lamina. So, let me call the length of this line which represents the triangular surface as M. The M represents the front view length of the surface. So, friends, here the lamina ABC is on HP, it is making 0 degrees, and this represents the top view of the lamina. In the question he says, the side opposite to that corner is 20 mm above HP. So here we have this side AB, corner is C and the side opposite to that is AB. He says, suppose this is the position, the lamina is tilted on this corner C like this, such that this side AB is 20 mm above HP. So instead of giving that angle of inclination of the surface of the lamina, they have given us what height the opposite side AB is. So I will simply mark a line here anywhere above this XY line at a distance or at a height of 20 mm above that. Now friends, we have this length M, take some point because the corner has to be on HP. Anywhere on this, I will simply take that point C dash. Taking C dash as center, the distance M as the radius, I just write an arc. So friends, here I have taken C dash as center, C dash, A dash, B dash which measures M is taken, I have written an arc here. Remember friends, this is the length M. So on this point is going to be A dash, B dash. Friends, if you observe this figure, it indicates that the surface of the lamina is inclined at an angle theta, so which we are going to measure now. So instead of giving this angle, when they give you this angle, they can ask you to find out this, or when they give this height, they can ask you to find out the inclination of the surface. This line in fact represents the front view of the triangular lamina, which makes an angle theta here. So friends, you can measure, that is what is asked. Oh, the corner is above HP. Draw its projection when the side is parallel to VP and nearer to it. So before that, we can find out the inclination of the surface. Now friends, after you have this front view, obtain the top view, go in order and get the 3 points. So to get point A here in the top view, a vertical line from A, a horizontal line from here, this will give you A. Similarly, vertical line from B, the horizontal line from B, these two will meet here, that will give you B. Finally, C, vertical line from C, horizontal line from C, they will meet here. This point is going to be C. Friends, join A to B, A to C and B to C. Friends, this figure will give you the top view of the lamina when the side opposite to the corner on which it is resting is 20 mm above HP. And friends, remember, this side AB is again vertical, that is perpendicular to VP. You can say friends, the lamina is resting on a corner and the side opposite to that is AB, which is at a height of 20 mm from HP. And he says in the question finally, draw its projections when the side is parallel to VP. So the side opposite to corner is AB, that AB is normal to VP. We have to redraw this figure such that this AB is nearer to VP and C is away. So friends, I have to redraw this figure. So anywhere on this portion here on this, I am going to draw the triangle. The triangle is ABC, AB, and this is, you know how to construct. We have AB, obviously since that AB is parallel, this is 30, this is also going to be 30 mm and even this is going to be 30. I'll just mark here. This length is 30 and how to get that point C? I know BC. With B as center, BC radius, draw an arc. With A as center, AC radius, another arc. These two will meet somewhere here, exactly in the center of this. Join them, join. So this will give you the point C. The point C is the third corner of that. Friends, in this, before I draw the final front view of that, let me just tell this again. we have the lamina placed on HP, we obtained the front view a line having length m, and they had given in the question that the side opposite to the corner is 20 mm above. So, we could draw that locus of that point or that edge, and taking this ms radius with center c dash, I have got that point. This length is equal to this length, and I told you in the previous sessions, these two figures, this and this, they will have the same dimension, and after getting the top view of that, we were able to measure theta. That theta, you will get some value for this, and in this position the lamina is resting on corner C. The side opposite to that is A dash B dash. That A dash B dash is perpendicular to VP, or it is normal to VP. He says draw the projection, means draw the front view and top view when the side opposite to that corner, means that AB is parallel to VP and nearer to it. In the same problem, if they had asked parallel to VP and away, I would have written AB here and C something like this. So, here the corner would have become closer to that. Friends, we have got the final top view, which I mark it as TV, and I should get finally what is the front view. So, follow the simple procedure to get the front view. You start from the point A, draw a vertical line from a horizontal from here, the point where those two intersect, a horizontal from a vertical from A. These two will intersect here, I call that point as A dash. Likewise B, vertical from B, horizontal from B, these two are intersecting here, I call this point as B dash. Finally, horizontal from C, a vertical from C, they will meet exactly in the center of this. So, that point I call it as C dash. Friends, join the points so obtained by straight line, that is, I am going to join A dash to B dash, B dash to C dash, C dash to A dash. From this figure, A dash, B dash, C dash will give you the front view of the lamina which is resting on the corner C, and this will give you the top view of the lamina wherein the side AB is parallel to VP and nearer to it, Friends, I have completed the solution for this problem, and I am very sure you are all convinced with the presentation I have made. If you are really happy with the presentation I have made, do subscribe to my channel without fail. You share this information with all your friends and have a wonderful day. This is Dr. M. H. Annaiah signing off.